Hey everyone! A fan asked me a really good question when your engraving area is just slightly smaller than the material itself. Clamps get in the way and block the cutter. But skip the clamps and your workpiece flies right off. Today I'll show you exactly how to fix this problem using masking tape and super glue. Lay down masking tape all over the work table surface. Just make sure no gaps and no overlaps. The whole point of this step is to protect your work table. Grab your engraving stock and some masking tape. Same rule here, no gaps and no overlaps. This layer is for protecting your engraving stock. Grab that super glue we set aside earlier, dab it evenly right in the middle of the masking tape. Now flip your stock masking tape side down and gently set it right on top of where you put the glue. Let me give it a test for you. Wow, that is seriously stuck on there. Alright, let's fire this up and start engraving. Pop in our CNC engraving bit. Look at that clean, precise, perfect detail. No issues at all. Zero movement on the stock, not even a little. Alright, we're done engraving. Now how do we get this off? Look at the back, totally clean, no damage, perfect. Total win, perfect engraving, start to finish.